any police, fire, or medical attention?
I need the police right as soon as possible. My son's been shooting his gun off in the air, and he's been threatening.
Okay, you actually saw him shoot his gun in the air.
I heard him get his gun out and go out on the front porch and shoot the gun and come back in and put the gun away.
How long ago was that?
This is the second time he's done it in the last 2 hours.
How long ago since he last shot it off?
10 minutes ago.
Has he been drinking or doing any drugs?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, why is he going out and shooting in the air? What's going on with that?
Did you hear him? He's yelling. He yells stuff constantly that people are coming to his door. He's imagining stuff.
Hey, take. Hey, just stay inside. Stay inside. Let's go.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, was that you, Kyle? Yes, he's shooting at us. Okay. That was you, Kyle? Yes, he is hit. Okay.
Yep. A little bit. To your right. Yep. A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect.
Right there?
Yep. Cool. Thank you.
So can you see that front door?
That one right there? Yep.
Okay, because I can't. There's a tree right in my way,
Yeah.
so whatever.
I'll call it if I see anything.
Well, so Dixon's got eyes on, so he's gonna call it, right? So we don't want to echo. So let him call.
Front porch light just went off.
Yep.
W26, if we could have the SO unit take the...
Hey, he's out. Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Suspect just exited the residence. Stop.
Yep. Yeah, I know you got it.
Hey, was that you?
Yes, he's shooting at us.
Okay.
They fired around.
That was you, Kyle?
Yes, he is hit.
Okay.
We have shots fired.
Hey, Marshu, walk over to me. We're gonna have to move up.
No, he went back in the house with the
Yeah,
firearm.
hold on. Hold your position.
The suspect went right back into the residence with the firearm.
Hello, Blake. Blake. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Blake, I can hear you. Where are you injured?
He's on the side.
The side of what?
He's on my right side.
Of your stomach or your arm? Where?
It's like below the armpit.
Can you come outside? Without your gun?
Without.
Can you put your gun down and come outside?
Give you help, or we want to give you help, man. Walk forward.
Gotcha.